So hey everyone, we have seen the official render images of the Oneplus Ace, which is right around the corner. But before that, here is the hands-on video of the Oneplus Ace which confirms what we have seen and heard from the renders and previous rumors. The same back design housing the triple camera setup, a centered punch hole front camera, and the OnePlus logo has moved to the right down corner. One thing I noticed in this video that confuses me is that the working OS on the phone seems very similar to the Oppo's Color OS. I know they have combined, but Oxygen OS has its own vibe. Let's pray that what we are thinking it's not true. Not only did the Ace make a cameo in a hands-on video, but it also made an appearance on an official live stream, giving viewers a real-world look at the interesting new device. In any case, this photos doesn't reveal anything new about the phone that hasn't already been revealed in official renderings. The OnePlus Ace has a unique design because of its flat sides and aggressive yet still rounded corners. Also, the phone has a boxy form that is similar to the most recent iPhones, as well as textured finish for aesthetics. The OnePlus Ace is said to have the same specifications as the Realme GT Neo 3, which includes a 6.7 inches AMOLED display with a full HD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, the presence of a MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max SoC with 12 GB of RAM has been verified. The 5nm octa-core SoC will allow the seamless operation of graphic-intensive games while maintaining frame rates and battery consumption. I'm quite interested in seeing how OnePlus optimized the Dimensity 8100 CPU to operate the phone. I hope they don't do what they did with the Snapdragon CPU. When it comes to the cameras, on the back there is a 50 megapixel sensor for the primary camera with optical stabilization, an 8 megapixel sensor for the ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixel macro sensor for those close-up shots you want to take. Other notable features includes Android 12 being pre-installed out of the box with 150 watt quick charging, a 4500 mAh battery will keep the lights on. It also features a USB Type-C connector, a bottom firing speaker, and what seems to be an IR blaster on the top. The OnePlus alert slider though is noticeably missing. We almost unboxed the new OnePlus Ace, but we will have to wait until the debut date to try it out in person. Unboxing is still incomplete without pricing, although the pricing of the OnePlus Ace has not been revealed. We anticipate the base model will cost between $458 to $524 in China. The phone's pricing may be somewhat more in different countries. So what are your thoughts on the OnePlus Ace phone? Are you excited about it, or do you have other plans? Tell me in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.